everybody, Nathan Hall here. Big news, it's going to be PSSA soon. In all your classes you're going to be getting lessons on how to prepare for it. That's just no exception. So, any questions about the pod? Let's take a look at what you're going to have to know. First one, no cell phones. If you had to bring one, you need your mom to call. You need to call your mom when you're done. Give it to the proctor. Can't leave the site unless it's an emergency. Tell your proctor if anything goes wrong. Bring a pencil, a number 2 pencil. It's got to be one of these yellow ones. So let's look at kind of things you have to do here. One is going to be summarizing. And I'm going to set these up for your activities down below too. So when it comes to summarizing, what do? You got to figure out what's the main thing. What are they asking us about? Here's a trick. When summarizing, read the question first. Totally fair to do that. So what's this letter mainly about? Okay. Thank you for taking the survey. Helping us develop better products. Okay. Giving roles for getting $10. That's in there. Filling out product survey. Okay. Voters. I don't even see that word in here. Informing about a new product. What's the product? Nope. Going with B on that one. So again, we're going to look for the main idea of this passage here. Let's just read all the answers. Why not? Roots can grow very close to the top of water. When it rains, they can collect a lot of water. Cactuses live in dry places because of the water. And stems can grow fat to hold more water. Okay. Let's see, they live in dry places. Waxy skin. Skin holds water. Long roots. Very close to the ground. So what's our main idea? Okay, this is in here. But you got all this other stuff about waxy skin and thick fleshy stems. This doesn't retain the roots. When it rains can also, that's one idea, but we want one that does all of them. Cactuses can live in dry places because of their parts. Dry places, then we talk about the parts. I like that one. Stem can grow fat. No, that's just one piece. So C is our answer on this one. So this is going to come down to point of view, which you'll have in your reading journeys class. First, second, or third person. What does that mean? You're the first person. I did this. I did that. You, Y-O-U, second person. Let's see if we can find some examples. He, she, or it, third person. So a different kind of creak. He twitched. You're just jumpy. First person, second person here. He shook his head. It was so unreal. So here, they call, third person, but look at this. I don't think it's clever. First person. Okay, good. So this would be C again. And it's British. Brekkie for breakfast. British people talk funny. So this one on the witching hour. Who's telling it? Story by the guy who wrote Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Let's see. Sophie couldn't sleep. It's probably not going to be Sophie because she's sleeping. The giant would have to see her sleep. Giant doesn't come into the end. Gucci's, I only see Gucci's till the end. So a narrator, person tells a story. Third person, kind of like God's telling the story. Can go anywhere, do anything, knows it all. So bias and propaganda, that's another thing here. What does this writer want you to think? Most American men know the benefits of physical activity. This is like persuasion, which we talked about before. They want you to think something. However, mainly do not get enough exercise, or the 25% charge. Men exercise less as they grow older. Those with low income. So what's it telling you? Women should be exercising at least an hour a day? I don't see that in there. No benefits? Nope. Let's see. American men know the benefits. Older men need to exercise more. So it looks like overall, we all need to exercise more. That's what this is saying. Wants to convince you of something. Fact or opinion, you will have to differentiate these. Seatbelts are too uncomfortable for most children to use. Seatbelts are less likely to suffer injuries. Seatbelts reduce. So uncomfortable is an opinion. I think they're fine. Nope. I don't think so. That's an opinion. So the rest of these are kind of facts. Now this is going to be one of those ones where you have one big piece. Going to move it to be sure it's in frame there. Good. It's about the Ptolemaic model. Okay, this isn't real easy, but this is unfortunately kind of reading level we see on the PSSAs. So let's just read the question. Whoa, where's my question? There we go. So what comparison can we make between Ptolemy and Copernicus? Well, let's see. What did Ptolemy say? Okay. The Earth's at the middle of the universe. Everything goes around it. So what's Copernicus say? No, heliocentric. The sun's not the center. No, the Earth's not the center. The sun is. So what's our difference here? Hmm. Neither accounted for it. Both asserted theories. Both presented problems teaching scripture. So this would be C, because that's what they both did. So then math, this will be some word problems. Okay, Mr. Wong's class? It is pronounced Wong. Where's Mr. Kueller? Mr. Kueller, wow, they ate 5 pizzas. Some hungry 5th graders. Mr. Wong's ate 2. Oh, each one represents 2. They tried to trick you there. Be sure to read your legend. So 2 times 5 is 10. Here, 2 times 3 is 6. So how many more? It's actually 4. Looks like 2, but each one is 2. 4. And now we look at ice cream cone sales. How many more chocolate ice cream cones were sold than vanilla on Tuesday? Well, let's sort this out here. Tuesday. Okay, we gotta find that right there. How many chocolates? Whoa, that goes up to 10. Down here, 5. What is 10 minus 5? You gotta tell me. And here we got Lucille on her road trip. So this is the kind of thing we'll talk about. This is what your homework will be about. The big thing I want to end with. When the PSSAs come, eat a good breakfast, bring a lunch, get some sleep. You can do this. Take your time. Don't worry about what the other students are doing. Answer every question. If you can't make it, let us know. That's all. Come to the live class. We'll go over this. Adios for now.